Well, a beautiful day if you like the nice beach weather. We've had it, although if you're a firefighter, again, it's been tough going. It's been dry out there and will stay that way. The Van Wezel webcam, though, does show the sailboats out there going across the bay at times and just a few high clouds every once in a while streaming in from the Gulf. And it will make for a beautiful sunset tonight, which is just after 8 o'clock tonight. And you could see a photo sent in from a previous sunset. This was near Beer Can Island. Damon Powers getting this one near Whitney Beach and the north end of Longboat Key, and a beautiful shot it was right there. And the national satellite and radar imagery, at least showing this line of intense storms, has the potential of producing tornadoes into Arkansas and also into Louisiana tonight. This front is going to continue to weaken, though, as it moves to the southeast. The dynamics that are producing those strong storms are going to stay well to the north of us. We are not anticipating any rainfall chances really through Friday. There's a slight chance over the weekend, but not enough really to mention. By Monday and Tuesday, a little bit better. 82 degrees, and we have some fair skies right now. Winds are out of the south-southwest at 10. The pressure, 29.85 inches. That's relatively high, but not extreme at this point. We expect that to go a little higher. 84 degrees. The high today was a couple degrees above average, but that's because that wind turned out of the west-southwest this afternoon and cooled things there. 91 the record. We're going to be close to some record highs, I think, over the upcoming at least 2 days, and we will see the potential for some very warm weather over the upcoming days. I wanted to show you this graph right here. This is what we're looking at tomorrow. To start things off, we'll be in the low 70s, but we'll warm up into the mid 80s. That's even near the coast. Low to mid 90s anticipated in places like Arcadia, Wauchula, and places nearby, generally eastern portions of Sarasota and Manatee counties. Here's the RPM forecast model showing that line of storms weakening all night tonight and then fading away by Friday just to the north of us. There'll be a few showers for the Panhandle. Not much rain for us anticipated across most of the state. Will stay dry, and especially here along southwest Florida. Over the northeast, that low pressure area tracks off in the Atlantic, and this system gets going over the northern plain states with some snow falling as far south as Colorado. Looks like the mountains of Colorado will get some of that snowfall. Right now there's some snow falling in places of Minnesota and into North Dakota, even into South Dakota, getting a rain-snow mix there all the way up into Canada this evening. This all associated with an area of low pressure which continues to head off to the northeast. And that big storm over the northeast yesterday is weakening as it pushes off into the Atlantic right now. Still some showers into Maine and also out near the Cape. Now, temperatures currently, look at this big drop all the way down to where that cold front is and where the severe weather is. 50 degrees in Kansas City, 72 though. Now in Chicago, Cleveland at 82 degrees, 71 in the nation's capital, and 80 into Atlanta. Well, here comes the cold air, and then all of a sudden it retreats as a high pressure ridge builds in over the upcoming days. We are anticipating near record highs across parts of the state of Florida. So that will be interesting to see, especially through Saturday and Sunday. Then we get a little cooler on Monday and Tuesday. South winds for boaters, 15 knots. And we'll have a moderate chop on the bays and inland waters. The water temperature, again, into the upper 70s. The low tide will be at 8:25 and a high tide at 2:19. Another low tide at 7:52. Sunset just at 8:01. Mostly fair, warm tonight, 68 for your low. Tomorrow, look for a day similar to today, although it will be a little bit warmer even near the coast. Low to mid 90s, well inland. South winds 10 to 15. We could even see a little patchy fog to start the morning off. And the extended forecast is calling for a slight chance for showers on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 30%. Less of a chance on Saturday and Sunday. Scott?